Hello. In this video guide, we will take a look at adding horizontal structures such as floors and ceilings to projects within Vertex BD. The process is the same, however there are different commands for both floors and ceilings. Before adding in the horizontal structure, please change to the deck or ceiling layout model pair for the story that you are working on. If you wish to quickly load in the reference drawing for the walls on that story, please do so. Horizontal structures can be added by either choosing the Floors or Ceiling command within the Modeling tab, or by simply right-clicking to bring up the context-sensitive menu and choosing the Add Floor command. If this structure has already been added previously, then that type of previously used structure will be selected automatically. However, this can be manually adjusted if required using the Select Material from List command. Next, choose the structure type, then click OK. Please note, the process is the same regardless of the type, just that the available libraries and default insertion height will be different. If this structure type hasn't been used before, the library for the relevant one will automatically appear. Note that you should have previously selected default floor or ceiling types in the 3D levels, and these defaults will automatically be selected when the default button has been pressed. In the contextual toolbar are various options for adding in the structure. In this example, we're adding floors into the 2D drawing, so I want to ensure it's added by the top plane of the floor, so it finishes with the finished floor level, and I add via selecting the points to enable better shape control. If you wish to add in 3D, it will probably be easier to use the add using walls function. This has a secondary contextual toolbar allowing for automatic wall selection, and if the structure is going to the exterior or interior edge of the frame. Thanks for joining us for this video. Stay tuned for our next on horizontal panelizing.